Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Freetrade commission-free trading, my UK stock investing app experience. Freetrade offers commission-free stock trading primarily aimed at UK investors looking for an accessible and affordable way to invest in the stock market. It focuses on making investing simple and straightforward, especially for beginners, with features like fractional shares and curated investment lists. Their website provides details on their ISA and general investment account options. Freetrade highlights its user-friendly interface, transparent pricing with no hidden fees, and the absence of contracts. They emphasize their mobile-first approach, providing a slick app experience. You can download the app for iOS and Android to get started. Availability is currently limited to UK residents. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Freetrade. Getting started was a breeze. The app downloaded quickly, and the account setup process was straightforward, requiring the usual KYC, know your customer, information and verification. The onboarding was helpful, guiding me through the basics of the app and explaining different investment options. Navigating the app was intuitive. The dashboard clearly displays your portfolio, watchlist, and available cash. Searching for specific stocks or ETFs was easy, and I appreciated the detailed information provided for each instrument, including charts, key statistics, and news. I tested buying a fractional share of a popular tech company, and the process was seamless. The order executed quickly, and I could track its performance within my portfolio. The app's performance was generally good. It was responsive and stable throughout my testing period. I did notice occasional minor lag when loading complex charts, but it wasn't a significant issue. One standout feature for me was the Discover tab, which curates investment ideas based on different themes and risk levels. It's a great resource for beginners who are unsure where to start. I had a quick question about transferring funds into my account, and their support team responded within a day via email with a clear and helpful answer. One minor drawback was the limited range of international stocks available compared to some other platforms. While it wasn't a deal breaker for me, it's something to be aware of if you're looking for a wider global exposure. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Freetrade. It's a user-friendly platform that makes investing accessible and affordable for UK investors. While it has a few limitations in terms of international stock selection, it generally met my needs, and the simple interface and transparent pricing make it a great option for beginners. That's my overview of Freetrade commission-free trading, my UK stock investing app experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.